So today I'll be showing you how to create a new Google document. So first you'll want to go to Google Drive, click on the first link that comes up, click on Go to Google Drive, and then over on the left hand side you'll click New, and then scroll down to Google Docs, click that, and then it will open a new document for you, and you can rename the document up in the left hand corner. And then in order to share your document, on the right hand side you can click share, and you can either enter people's emails here or get a shareable link, and then click done when you're finished, and that's how you open a new Google document.